In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Spotify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Spotify, pull up the search field in an instant, type a precise query, and understand how the results are organized so you can quickly spot what you're looking for. First, open Spotify in your desktop app or in a web browser and sign in. Being logged in ensures your search taps into your library, your listening history, and all regions and features tied to your account. The desktop and web versions look and behave very similarly, so use whichever you prefer. If anything looks different from what you see here, it might just be due to a recent update. The core search process is the same. Next, find the search bar at the top of the interface. You can click directly into it, or use a handy shortcut to jump there instantly. On Windows, press Ctrl+K. On a Mac, press Command+K. This is perfect when you're mid-browse and want to search without moving your mouse. If the shortcut doesn't respond, make sure the Spotify window is active, then try again, or just click the search field. Now, type what you want. You can enter the name of a song, artist, album, playlist, podcast, genre, or even a mood. Be as specific as you like. For example, you might type an artist and a track title together, add a featured artist, or use descriptive terms like chill, upbeat, or focus. Don't worry if you're not sure of the exact spelling. Spotify's suggestions usually guide you toward the right result. As you type, you'll see live suggestions appear, which can help you refine your query on the fly. Spotify will display results grouped by type, so you can quickly zero in on what you need. You'll typically see sections like top result, tracks or songs, artists, albums, playlists, podcasts and shows, and sometimes genres and moods. If you're after a single song, glance at the tracks section. Looking for a body of work? Head to albums. Want a curated set of songs? Check playlists. For podcasts, switch your attention to podcasts and shows. When names are common or similar, look at details like album artwork, the verified artist checkmark, or release year to make sure you've identified the right match. That's all there is to it. Open Spotify and sign in, use the search bar or the Ctrl+K or Command+K shortcut, type your query, and read the grouped results to pinpoint what you're after. With a few searches, you'll be finding music, podcasts, and playlists in seconds.